A successful legacy of 5 decades. 50 plus product variants. More than 8,000 installations across India. 3 operational and efficient manufacturing facilities. The pioneers in crushing and screening technology. Titan Crushing Equipment, with its flagship brand Diamond, has been continuously contributing to the story of development through its engineering excellence. Titan understands your challenges and ambitions because you are our prime focus. We transform our insights and intelligence into diligent crushing solutions that are delivered to you. Our dedication to customer success and manufacturing excellence make us the frontrunners in the crushing industry. It is not just about crushing rocks. We conquer boundaries, setting new standards for efficiency and reliability. Titan's profound experience in crushing and screening equipment manufacturing has helped its customers to achieve scale, new pinnacles in their business. Titan has transformed its expertise into a vast product range. Build your crushing and screening business with Diamond to maximize your plant efficiency and yield. Together, we will experience success. Enriching your aggregate value is our commitment. Join in, let us get ahead together. Titan's research and development team has in-depth techno-functional knowledge in crushing and screening operations. We understand the advanced technical trends, the challenges that the customers face, and their business needs. Our diverse product range truly reflects this ethos to achieve new and rising levels of customer delight. With its 3 manufacturing plants at Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad, Titan has established its manufacturing capabilities to deliver next-generation products and equipment. The operational facilities are spread over more than 125,000 square feet of area. Titan's in-house foundry ascertains its complete superiority in castings. Operations in all the plants are aligned with standard processes and best practices to ensure unmatched production quality. Titan's product delivery across India and 8,000 plus running sites demonstrate its product's strength and performance efficiency. Titan's pan-India sales, service, and dealer network reflect Diamond's commitment to its customers. Titan provide after-market services from its Pune plant to maximize the uptime of your plants and equipment. Our spare parts division dispatches the required spare parts across India with agility. Diamond's range of products. Jaw crushers show exceptional performance and unmatched durability. RJ series and DJ series come equipped with primary and secondary jaw crushers. High capacity feeders for rigorous and hassle-free operations. Cone crushers with RC series floating shaft and DP series fixed shaft with guaranteed efficiency and performance. Fine cone crushers, Sandmaster series optimized for high output capacity of M and P sand. Highly efficient vibrating screens. DVX and RV series vertical shaft impactors to reduce your cost per ton. Primary and secondary wheeled plants in modular structures for ease of movement. Washing systems. Construction and demolition plants for sustainability and material reuse. Turnkey plants. Plants ranging from 50 to 500 TPH with M and P sand. Our plants are engineered to process basalt, silica, granite, quartzite, iron ore, coal, and riverbed material. Titan has expertise and experience in handling various applications. It has delivered high-performing plants across commercial constructions, road, rail, infrastructure, and sand sectors. We provide turnkey solutions to you across India. Our plants are dynamic and robust with the superior build quality and efficient in nature. To take you ahead in your promising crushing business, we walk with you at every step of your crushing business to increase your aggregate value.